We're on a record in cause number 328614, the state of Texas versus Barrett Hayes Harbison. Mr. Harbison, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Harbison, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Harbison?
I'm well.
You doing well? Okay, Mr. Harbison, you're charged with the Class B misdemeanor of theft. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, Your Honor.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, Your Honor.
Number three, Mr. Harbison, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Harbison, if you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If your choice is to hire an attorney, then your case will be reset. Or if you have already hired an attorney, please inform the court the name of the attorney. Your case will be reset and your attorney will be given the reset date. Or if you want to apply for a court-appointed counsel, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire to see whether or not you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Or if you have a court-appointed attorney, please inform the court and your case will be reset and your attorney will be contacted with that reset date. Or if you want to waive your right to an attorney and to represent yourself, you can inform the court that that is your desire. Mr. Harbison, what is your choice?
I choose to represent myself, Your Honor.
Mr. Harbison, I will read to you the waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney that you will sign in State's Exhibit number 1, which is the misdemeanor plea admonishment. And it reads, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed for me free of charge, if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Mr. Harbison, is that your decision?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Harbison, I'll give you an opportunity to sign the document, the waiver, and you'll also have an opportunity to talk to a prosecutor in